Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the exciting stuff from overseas.
We've got a lineup on this table.
We do. It's all silver for all those people that are saying, oh, I just want to buy some silver. We've got 1 ounce silver from the States. We've got it from Europe. We've got it from
the States and Europe.
The UK. Yeah, we've got a bit of everything in here. Where do you want to start, Rubes?
Let's start down this end, I reckon. So, move down the line.
I suspect these are buffaloes.
Yes, bit of a giveaway if anyone was looking at the sticker there. But yeah, we should be seeing some 1 ounce buffaloes. Some very popular some rounds that we get.
They are very popular for good reason.
So yeah, good to see these through. I think they're definitely preferred in the gold, at least for us here over the American Eagle. But in silver, I don't know. Do you have a preference between the American Eagle silver and the Buffalo silver?
I probably don't, except for the buffaloes are usually, I'm assuming they are this time too, a heck of a lot cheaper.
Yes.
They got me again.
These are, of course, rounds, not coins.
Yeah.
So they do not have a face value.
But a beautiful design, a classic design. It's been around for a long time now.
Yep.
So the old bison.
And remember the right way to flip.
Yeah, almost got me again.
There we go.
And then the Indian head on the other side.
Awesome.
So, beautiful coin. They're not dated as far as I'm aware, are they?
They're not.
They are not. So, a good generic round. Bit dearer than, say, a kangaroo, but isn't everything. But, yeah, a good international flavour design with a nice design on it. So, we've got those back in stock.
And they're ones that really do not seem to last long. So
They don't. None of these really do, and we haven't got them in large quantities either. With the possible exception of the Phillies, and that's just because we get them in regularly.
Yep.
Yeah, so our favourite mint.
This one is still exciting, despite any preconceived notions you may have about the condition of them. We'll see how we go.
So these are the 2024. It's the first of...
Yep, 2024. It's exciting stuff.
And we can see there the classic stereotypical Britannia.
Royal Mint Britannia in 1 ounce silver.
Looking stunning as per usual.
With the security features and the ripples behind, the trident and the lock down there by her dress. When they do it right, they do it right.
They do it really well.
Yeah.
And King Charles on the obverse. So standard King Charles without the crown, interestingly enough.
Yeah.
I actually thought we'd have him crowned this time round, but not.
Also, yeah. So we'll see what happens with that.
So the 2024s are in stock. We're not going to bring in huge numbers of these, but we do have them available right now.
Back to America.
Back to the US edition.
Do you remember, I'm putting you on the spot here, do you remember the difference between the tags on the between the different...
as in which...
yeah, because I remember that there's identifying features based on what colour that tag is. I want to say San Fran was yellow, but I might be pushing myself. If you know, let me know in the comments. Do you remember what colours mean what when it comes to US Mint tags?
So I can't remember if these are 2023s or 24s.
I think these are 2023s, but we'll take a close look in a sec and we'll see.
These are 3s. So we've got a small number back in, will be the last batch for the year.
Awesome.
You've got her there, Walking Liberty, and then over the... almost did it. Almost got me again. And the new design, although it's not new this year.
I was going to say, does it still feel like the new design?
It still does. Every time I crack one of these open, I go, oh, that's right, they've changed the design. I know there was a bit of backlash at the start. I actually really like the new design.
Yeah, it just hasn't quite sunk in as this is the normal yet.
Yeah.
No.
I should probably leave some of these open so you can do a pan at the end, shouldn't I?
Yeah, that'd be good. We'll see how we go.
So...
but yeah, I kind of feel a little bit the same, where it's a nice design, but it kind of hasn't cemented itself in my mind as being a US Eagle.
Yeah. But I think it's a classic. We've got the Philharmonic, the classic. This is probably my favourite.
definitely my favourite monster box. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's just something interesting, you know. It's not just a box. It's something to convey something.
There's some thought gone into it.
And I quite like it. And it's not just for looks. It does also help a little bit with its structural integrity as well.
Yeah.
These are also 2023s. They are good to have these through. There we go.
And then the beautiful pipe organ. I keep calling it something else, but I haven't fallen for it this time. And then the musical instruments on the other side. So a stunning. I love this coin. It really does have to be one of my favourites, if not my favourite, of the government-produced standard coins. I'm not sure what the correct term on that is, but you know what I mean. Like it's their version of the kangaroo.
Yeah, and a fairly generic one for them, but to us here down on the other side of the world, it's an interesting one to be sure.
Now, these ones are a little bit interesting in their plainness.
Yeah.
Work that one out. So, these are also buffaloes.
But with a twist.
If I can get them open anyway. There we go. So very similar design to the other, but not exactly the same. I'll just grab one of the others so you can see.
We've got a mint mark there.
That's the official buffalo, if you like. And this is produced by one of the other mints, and they stick a stamp in the middle of the buffalo,
that's looking a little bit cleaner, to be honest. I think I prefer the buffalo without the hole in the middle there. But I think design-wise, without the thing on the bottom, the text on the bottom, and just overall condition, I think I'm leaning towards the one with the mint mark, if I'm honest.
Actually, I tend to agree. I do like the plainness of it, and I actually like the buffalo's just that little bit smaller. You get more of a mirrored image in the background.
Yeah, that's it. Without the text on the bottom, you're able to spread it out a little bit more, I think.
But this is almost a frosted finish with the United States up the top, whereas this one's a very plain finish.
Yep. And do you want to flip them over? We'll compare the other side as well.
Still got me.
And again, you can see the difference there between more of a mirrored background and
the frosted finish.
A little bit more of a frosted, No, there we go. So a bit of a same but different.
Yep.
We'll have to see what people prefer.
Put this one back over here. I'm not sure what the price difference is between the two either, that would be interesting to see.
Yes, we'll.
And then this one, this is a classic. This is another buffalo.
Another same but different.
But this one is different.
Oh, there we go.
So you've got the same. Actually, let's put all three next to each other. So you've still got the Indian on one side.
These are stacker rounds.
And yes, the buffalo on the other. But as Ruben just intimated, these are a stacker round. So by that we mean I've done it too quickly. So they lock in together. You can see the reading around that. That actually locks into the next one next to it.
Yep.
So they're a stack around. So a bit of fun, but you can't buy one.
To be honest, Michael, it always hurts me a little bit when someone says, "Oh, can I buy one stack around?" It's like, well, unless you're adding it to an existing stack of them, that feels a little bit wrong.
Yeah, that's right.
You can just buy one, but for come on, don't just buy one.
It defeats the purpose of it.
The advantage of these is that's it. They stack and interlock on each other, so you gotta make the most of that.
You do. So that is the International 1 ounce silver unboxing. Quite a bit from the States.
Yeah.
But a little bit of a mix-up from the other countries as well.
And great to see some 2024 stuff start to roll through. Even if it is just the Brits, we will hopefully start to see some 2024s of the others roll through moving forward. But
we will.
Yeah. That is. I was going to say the first of the 2024s, but I suppose the Dragon beat them to it.
They did. But it's all in and all good to go.
That's it. All right, thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.